Reality, the relative. Reality is how I see it, and I see the world as my mirror. The Absolute. Beingness is. This is as close as I can get with language, and this too is only a hint to the pure, immediate self-knowledge which underlies everything relative. The whole. The Absolute always appears as the relative, and everything relative arises from the Absolute. Exegesis. Pure beingness is like empty space. Consciousness without content, formless. Forms or contents arise through differentiation, that is, through thinking. Thinking, however, always forms a center with the content, which is why what is observed, even if it is the whole, is always viewed and experienced from a certain focal point. In this way, the relative and the Absolute are eternally united, the one in constant change, seemingly transient, the other always the same in itself. The path. Know that you are, and contemplate what is it that makes you know this. When you have penetrated all the layers of your being, a knowing beyond thinking appears. An immediate being and self-knowing. It is always there, as the basis of everything. You can recognize it this very moment. This is the Absolute, and you know it. It is the beginning of everything relative, and yet has no beginning itself, and no end.